people who get it or the people who get it? Welcome back to our journey through Regulation W and our Understanding Regulation W e-learning program. In Module 3, we're diving into the intricacies of restrictions and limits, which are fundamental to how financial institutions operate. Our first lesson in this module revolves around extensions of credit. In the world of finance, extending credit to affiliates is common. But Regulation W places certain restrictions on this practice. It's crucial to understand why these restrictions exist. They're in place to maintain financial stability and prevent situations where banks provide excessive credit to their affiliates, potentially leading to financial instability. Let's dive deeper into how banks determine the maximum credit limit. This isn't an arbitrary number. It's calculated based on various factors to ensure that it doesn't exceed a safe threshold. What does all this mean in practice? Well, it means that financial institutions must carefully consider these limits when dealing with affiliates. It's about risk management and ensuring the financial health of the institution. Moving on to our second lesson, securities transactions, let's explore how Regulation W impacts the buying and selling of securities with affiliates. To understand this fully, we need to navigate the regulatory landscape. Regulation W sets specific rules to govern these transactions, and financial institutions must adhere to them. One key objective here is to prevent conflicts of interest. Imagine a scenario where a bank purchased securities from an affiliate without proper controls. It could lead to situations where the bank's interests are aligned with those of its customers. At its core, Regulation W is about ensuring the financial stability of institutions and protecting the interests of depositors and investors. It's a crucial piece of the regulatory puzzle in the world of finance. Now, let's bring all this theory into the real world. Imagine a bank that wants to extend credit to an affiliate or engage in security transactions. These lessons we discuss become instrumental in making sound financial decisions. Rest assured, financial institutions take Regulation W seriously. They have dedicated teams and systems in place to ensure compliance. It's all about adhering to the rules while conducting their day-to-day operations. As we wrap up Module 3 on restrictions and limits under Regulation W, we've explored the reasons behind these restrictions, the calculation of credit limits, the intricacies of these security transactions, and the practical applications of these rules. If you found this module insightful and want to dive deeper into the world of banking regulations, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. In Module 4, we'll continue our exploration, delving into further restrictions and exceptions under Regulation W. Thanks for watching.